Aisha, she said in the hadith, back then in the Arab world, when the girl reached the age of 9, she's a woman. So be careful, don't let them say to you she was a child. According to, even according to biologists, scientists, when the girl reached the age of 9, the girl reached the age of puberty, means adult. The questions here from the Christians in Speaker's Corner, they're not asking us questions to learn. They're asking questions that basically I'm just going to ask a question. Even if you answer it, I'm going to still pretend I don't understand. I was speaking to Bob the Builder about the issue of Aisha, Prophet Muhammad getting married to Aisha. So I said to him, look, the time Prophet Muhammad, والسلام, they say, the biologists, the scientists say, when a woman reaches the age of puberty, she's not a child anymore, she's an adult. What does it mean? Do your own research. Means she entered to stage when she's physically ready to have intercourse and to have a baby. But Islamically that is not enough. She has to be mentally ready and spiritually ready. So I said to him, if a girl physically ready, spiritually ready, mentally ready, what's wrong with it? He
In Surah Al-Talaq, chapter 65, verse 4, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us who you can divorce and who you cannot divorce. And then He says, وَاللَّائِ لَمْ يَحِدْنَ وَاللَّائِ لَمْ يَحِدْنَ, and the ones who had never been pubescent before.
Okay, what was that?
Surah Al-Talaq, chapter 65, verse 4. وَاللَّائِ لَمْ يَحِدْنَ. Now the word lam in Arabic, it's what you call harfu nahi lil madi, which means that it's something, a negative term for the past tense. The Mufassirun, they say about this term, about this verse, it talks about breastfeeding women, because when you're breastfeeding you obviously can't menstruate. And it also talks about pregnant women, obviously you don't menstruate.
Okay,
However, at the same
He said nothing wrong with it. He said, but Aisha, see, she was playing with toys. I said, but it's known in the Western world, there is many girls at the age of 25, 30, they have toys.
Dollhouses.
So therefore they cannot get married. What he did, so I said to him, and the practice of getting married at the age of young, it was something worldwide. It was worldwide, and I showed him that Richard II did it in a British king when he got married to one of the princes from France. She was 6, yes. You know what I mean? So I'm saying what's happening now, these Christians will come to us, try to use their criteria to judge our religion. Likewise the atheists. So we have to be very careful. We should not let them dictate to us what is right, what is wrong. It's understandable in our time everything changed. But not worldwide. In Japan, the age of consent 12 years old. But they will never call Japan backward because it's no Japan way advanced in technology than England. You see what I'm saying? So the age of consent is not about age. It's about if the girl physically ready, spiritually ready, mentally ready. Okay, now the question we ask, do you care about Aisha more than her own father? Do you care about Aisha more than her own tribe? Do you care about Aisha more than her own society? All of them accepted him because why? She was physically, mentally ready. Rather Aisha, she said in the hadith, back then in the Arab world, when the girl reached the age of 9, she's a woman. So be careful, don't let them say to you, she was a child. According to who? Even according to psychologists, biologists, scientists, when the girl reaches the age of 9, the girl reaches the age of puberty, means adults. But Islamically that is not enough. She has to be what? Mentally ready. Aisha was what? A scholar. At the age of 18, a big scholar. The companions, the age of 65, 70, they used to refer to her. Asking her questions. So what they did, they invented this term, pedophilia, and they set an age, and they said anyone goes below that, he's a pedophile. Okay, that's your law. That's a new country. That's up to you. But how on the earth you going to use your law worldwide? Because we know in America, the age of consent 14. According to British law is what? Pedophilia. But they will never say that about America. You see what I'm saying, akhi? So look, they change now. Not everything's changed, but however, not worldwide. Do you understand that, brothers? No problem. I'm saying, look, what they do. So you say pedophilia is okay. No, I never agreed that pedophilia definition. Because that definition of pedophilia is not worldwide agreed upon. In Japan, it's not pedophilia.
Vatican City, I think 5 years ago, was 12.
Akhi, it was worldwide. It was worldwide. Because back then, when a girl reached age of puberty, she's ready. That's what it means, man. And they used to get mature quicker.
This is very important, yeah? I want all Muslims to be aware of this. The reason why we don't have sexual intercourse with 5-year-olds and 6-year-olds and 7-year-olds or whatever is not because of puberty.
How come for 1,300 years no one addressed this issue of Aisha? Why? If it was wrong, it was evil, how come they know us? The time Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, the Arab pagans, the Jews and the Christians, they used to look for any excuse to invalidate the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ prophethood. But they never used the Aisha's age of marriage against him. Until 100 years ago, when the British historian He wrote about it in Egypt.